Liam? What are you doing? No? What did you run into? Hi. Dad he's downstairs. Hey, Liam. Yep, you're welcome. Can you take that? Show us what you're doing? Yeah? Okay. Go get him. Did everyone see those steps? Just a few, but he did it. This is the game we play all day long. Round and round he goes.